For a long time, Indian Railways relied on ICF coaches for passenger transportation. With increasing demand for high speeds and comfortable journey, Indian Railways went on to a major shift in the coaches with the induction of LHB coach. These coaches have higher speeds of up to 160 km per hour, has a comfortable ride index, is lightweight compared to ICF coaches, has a corrosion-free shell. Coaches use Fiat bogies having lighter weight and a robust design, air spring in secondary suspension which is able to maintain constant height at variable loading, disc brakes, center buffer coupler which has higher strength and anti-climbing features, large windows with good visibility, chargers and reading lamps, no direct blast of cool air from ducts, pressure assisted flushing. Steel sheets from trade goes through the laser profile cutting machine to be converted to LHB sidewall sheet. 800-ton press brake machine is used to convert steel sheets to LHB trough floor, roof sheet and car line. After the window opening is profile cut, the sidewall sheet is being moved by the overhead crane to be placed on a jig where spot welding with sidewall frame would be done. What you see here is one of the most advanced machines used in coach manufacturing unit. A CNC spot welding machine costing approximately Rs 30 crores. This is used for spot welding of LHB sidewall which is made of ferritic steel and LHB roof which is made of austenitic steel. The CNC spot welding machine is highly productive and efficient. It has the capability to complete one sidewall a day and 4 LHB roof a day. Here is a spot welded finished LHB roof. Now we see a LHB sidewall being spot welded. A completed spot welded LHB sidewall. Now the finished sidewall, roof and underframe is assembled together to turn out the final LHB coach shell, ready to go to the painting shop. At the painting shop, primer is applied and is dried in an oven, and then the shell goes for further furnishing. The coach shell now goes to the floor and PVC section where PVC pipes for electrical wiring are also fitted. In the flooring board, cork is sandwiched in between and the boards rest on rubber decoupling elements to absorb noise. Resinoflex on sidewall and floor and glass wool on roof and sidewall is applied for heat insulation. After the flooring and PVC is done, partition frame is installed and then the seats and the windows. The outside of the shell is not painted but wrapped using vinyl sheets. The LHB coach is moved inside the plant using this rail-cum-road vehicle. The complete coach is now placed under external showering plant where artificial showering on the coach is done for 30 minutes to check for leakages.